To set a timer on your Android phone, we'll first need to find the Clock app. Swipe up on the home screen to reveal your app drawer, and then find the Clock app within your apps, or use the search and simply type in Clock to find it. I'm on a Samsung Galaxy, by the way, and if you're using a different type of Android phone, the app could look slightly different. On the bottom, you'll have tabs for alarms, world clock, stopwatch, and your timers. Go to the Timers tab on the bottom right, and then just set the time. It's all pretty straightforward. After setting the time, you'll start the timer and it'll start running. And once the time is up, your phone will ring and tell you the timer is done. Just to compare, here's a Pixel phone, where instead of rolling the numbers to set the timer, you'll have to type in the number. Visually looks pretty different between two Android phones, but the overall functionality is the same. Also worth noting that you don't need to stay in the Clock app while the timer is running. You can set a timer to any length and then leave the app once you've started the timer. You'll then see a little timer icon in the top left corner of your screen, and you can tap that to view the time remaining, or tap it again to go back to the Clock app and view your full timer there. That's pretty much it. Click the like button if this helped, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks all.